What's up, YouTube? So I've been playing around with an app called chatgpt. It's artificial intelligence and it can help you do so many things. So I thought I'd add it and use it to work out the script for this video. I hope you like it, but if you don't, that's fine. Let me know. Put in the comments. Let's talk about it. Ending a relationship can be a difficult decision for anyone, but for some men, the regret of leaving a partner can be overwhelming. It's like trying to sell a winning lottery ticket. You don't know what you have until it's gone. So here are the top 7 reasons why some men regret leaving the women in their lives. Drew, let's get it. Number 1, realizing what they had. Men may leave a relationship thinking that they're upgrading, but soon to come to realize the value of what they had. They may remember the good times and the things they shared with their partner and regret leaving them. Like, for example, how she always did the dishes and never complained about the game being on. Number 2, loneliness. Leaving a relationship can be a lonely experience, and men may find themselves missing the companionship and the emotional support of their partner. They may regret not having someone to share their life with and someone to tell their dad jokes to. Number 3, feeling like they've made a mistake. Sometimes men may leave a relationship only to realize they've made a mistake. They may come to regret their decision to leave and wish they could go back and fix things, just like they regret that one time they put ketchup on a hot dog. But for the record, I put ketchup on my hot dog, so don't judge me. Number 4, missing the intimacy. Men may regret leaving a relationship because they miss the physical and emotional intimacy they shared with their partner. Like their snuggle time watching Netflix and the fact there was someone always there to warm the bed for them. Number 5, realizing their role in the issues of the relationship. Men may come to regret leaving a relationship as they realize that the issues that led to the breakup were also their own faults. For example, leaving the toilet seat up, never doing the dishes, and always putting the empty Sprite bottle back in the fridge. Don't do that. Number 6, lack of a support system. After leaving a relationship, men may come to realize the importance of having a supportive partner and may regret not having someone to lean on, like a partner in crime to watch sports with or go on vacation together. Number 7, economic consequences. Leaving a relationship can sometimes also lead to economic consequences, like losing a shared home or shared income, which can leave some men feeling regretful. Like, how are they going to afford 2 separate Netflix accounts now? Ultimately, the decision to leave a relationship is a personal one and can come with a variety of emotions, like feeling like you've dodged a bullet or like you've been shot in the heart. It's important to remember that regrets are a normal part of the process, but don't let them ruin your day. You can always go for a walk, hit the gym, watch your favorite YouTube channel, but now you have to do it alone. No worries, bruh, because even after dealing with regrets, you do the work to heal, get your mind and body clear, and remember that you're still standing and charisma remains your